Assalamu alaikum. This is Kulsum Zehra, your mentor for the course of English Grammar. The topic of our today's lecture is present perfect continuous. A present perfect continuous is a verb tense that shows that something has started in the past and is continuing at the present time. Let's have this exemplary situation in which a person A asks, "Is it raining?" and the person B replies, "No, but the ground is wet. It has been raining." This shows that the action of raining has been started in the past and is still continuing. Present perfect continuous has a structure which includes with I, we, you, they and a plural we use have been, first form of verb and an ing. For example, I have been playing. Similarly, with he, she, it or a singular subject, we use has been, first form of verb and an ing. For example, he has been playing. A present perfect continuous tense has a connection with now or present because it includes an activity that has recently stopped or just stopped. For example, "You're out of breath. Have you been running?" It means that the person has been running and now he's out of breath. Similarly, "Paul is tired. He has been working very hard." This means that Paul has been working hard in this near past and is now tired. A present perfect continuous tense also includes actions that have repeated over a period of time. For example, "Debbie is a very good tennis player. She has been playing since she was 8. It means that the action of playing tennis has been repeated over a period of time. Similarly, every morning they meet in the same cafe. They have been going there for years. It means that the action of going to the same cafe has been repeated over a long period of time. A present perfect continuous tense also shows that the activity is still happening or has just stopped. For example, A says, "It began raining 2 hours ago and is still raining." "How long has it been raining?" And B replies, "It has been raining for 2 hours." Similarly, if someone says, "I have been looking for you for the last half hour," this means that in both these statements, the action of raining or waiting for someone is either still happening or the actions have just stopped. In a present perfect continuous tense, we use either since or for with the time period. We use since when we mention the start of period of an action. For example, 8 o'clock, Monday, 2 o'clock, Friday, 12 May, April 1985, Christmas, etc. An example can be, "Sally has been working here since April." In this example, we have used since to show that Sally has started working since April. It means that Sally's activity was started in April. Similarly, "I haven't seen Tom since 2003. It means that the activity of not seeing Tom was started in 2003. In the same way, we use for when we mention a period of time, for example, 2 hours, 6 weeks, 3 hours, 20 minutes, 5 days, a long time, 6 months, 50 years, etc. We use for when we mention that for how long the activity was continued. For example, "Sally has been working here for 6 months. It shows the duration of Sally's activity. Similarly, "I haven't seen Tom for 3 days. This also shows the duration of activity. Thank you so much. For more videos, do subscribe the channel.